During the 2016 to 2021 timeframe, by-elections were held in Tamil Nadu, India, due to the following events. May 25, 2016, Tirupparankundram ADMK MLAs Seenivel died. December 6, 2016, Radhakrishnan Nagar MLA, CM of Tamil Nadu Jayalalitha died. September 18, 2017, disqualification of 18 dissident AIADMK MLAs by Speaker. August 2, 2018, Tirupparankundram ADMK MLA AK Bose died. August 7, 2018, Tiruvarur ADMK MLA, former CM of Tamil Nadu CM Karunanidhi died. February 20, 2019, Hosur ADMK MLA P Balakrishna Reddy convicted by special court. March 21, 2019, Sulur ADMK MLA Kanagaraj died. The 123 AIADMK members include 3 independents who contested under the AIADMK symbol. They are M. Thaman Ansari from Megapattanam, Manathania Jananayaga Kachi, Euthania Rasu from Kangayam, Tamil Nadu Kamgualangar Parabai, and Karunas from Tiruvarur, Mukulatha Pulipadite. On October 26, 2016, the Election Commission announced that the election for Tirupparankundram, Tiruvarur, and Tanjavur constituencies would be held on November 19, 2016. The outcome was: on November 24, 2017, the Election Commission announced that the election for Radhakrishnan Nagar constituency would be held on December 21, 2017. On March 13, 2019, the Election Commission announced that the election for 18 out of 21 vacant constituencies would be held on April 18, 2019. However, by poll for Tirupparankundram, Tiruvarur, and Odapitturam, SC, assemblies were not announced by Election Commission of India as election petitions were pending in court at that time. On April 9, 2019, Election Commission announced that the by-elections will be held for remaining 4 vacant assembly constituencies in Sulur, Tiruvarur, Tirupparankundram, and Odapitturam on May 19, 2019 during the last phase of the Lok Sabha elections.